Hi students, this video is going to show you how you can customize the blog that you just made so you can make it your own. So the first thing you're going to do, go to blogger.com, log in, and you should be able to see your blog right here at the top. You're going to click your blog name. It'll bring you to this page, and you're going to see the sidebar over here and different options. We're going to focus on layout and template today. So first, let me show you what layout is. If you click on layout, it's going to bring you to this page where it shows you all the different parts of the blog that you have. So you can see my title is up here, blog posts here, about me is over here. And what layout function can do is you can actually click and drag around where you want to add things. So if I want to put my about me right under my title, I could do that, and you can just drag it around and move things around, and that's what you can do in layout. So let me put my blog archive at the bottom, things like that. Okay. If you click on template, this is a great reminder. Make sure you save everything before you move on. So it says you have unsaved changes. So that's a reminder. Click on Save Arrangement, and it's going to save what you just did. Remember, I moved the About Me, so let me show you the difference. See, you can see my About Me is at the top now because I dragged it around. Okay. If I drag it back like this, I save it, and I view my blog again, you can see my About Me is back here. Okay, so now what we're going to do is I want you to go ahead and click on Template, and Template allows you to change the background look of your blog. So you can see down here there are many different types of templates that you can use. Right now I have this one with the picture frames in the back, and that's down here. Let's say if maybe I want to try this one, and you can see a preview of what that looks like here. If you like it, you can click on apply. If you don't like it, you can say no, I don't like this. Let's say I want to choose this one. I like this background, so I'm going to say apply to blog. And once you click on apply, if you view it, you can see it already changed the look of my blog. Now, there's a way to customize this even further. Customize means make it even more how you want to design it. So if you click on this orange, click right here, it's going to bring you to this page, and you can see that your blog is down here, and there's more options for you to customize your blog up here. Now, the templates function on the side, this is just like the template function that we just talked about earlier. If you click on any of these templates down here, what it's going to do, it's going to change the look of your blog, as you can see here. If you click on background, this is where you can really start customizing the look of your blog. Let's say I don't like the blue background back here. So you can see it already applied the changes in the background that I have here. The main color theme is basically the colors of the fonts and how it relates to the color of the background. So let's say I want to change the colors of the fonts that I have here. You can just click on this and you can see it will change right here, and it coordinates all the colors based on what you like. So let's say I like this blue color, so I'm going to keep it there. If you click on adjust widths, this is where you can change how wide your blog is. Let's see here. And how wide the right sidebar is right there. Okay. The layout function is just like the layout function earlier, except it's a little bit more powerful in that there are more settings, that preset settings that you can choose. So let's say I don't like the 2-column layout here. I could go ahead and click on one of these and it'll change it to this setting um, or this setting. But you can go ahead and test out different settings and figure out which one you like and just keep it as that. The advanced setting down here is if you would like to customize your fonts for each part of your blog. So for example, the page text right here, the page text is going to be, I believe it's this text right here. If I change it, oh, it's down here actually. If I change it to impact font, you can see it's already going to change that. And over here, you can also change the colors if you would like. And you can see the colors changing as I click on this. You don't want to choose a color where we can't read. You can see I can't even read my fonts if I choose white. So you want to make sure that whatever color you choose, it's readable. There's different parts. So let's say blog title. Let's say I don't like this font. You can go ahead and choose a different font. I'm going to choose this one. And there we go. And I'm also going to change the color to this. Okay, and bold it. So you can see that this is a very specific way that you can customize your blog. If you have time, you may go ahead and fix the advanced settings on your blog. But if you don't, it's really not a big deal. There's other times where you can go back and customize this part. So this ends my presentation on how to design your blog. If you go to view blog, you can see it hasn't changed yet, and that's because you haven't clicked on this button, apply to blog. So go ahead and click apply to blog, and what it's going to do now when you click on view blog, you should see the changes that you made to your blog here. Okay, so this concludes my presentation. If you have any questions, you may raise your hand and ask me. I'd be happy to help you, or you can rewatch any parts of this video.